camera and try to look pretty. Just do that, okay, man? You're so useless right now.
How am I gonna open this? You with your hands! You open it with your hands!
This.
Stop yelling!
I can't hear ya.
3, 2, 1. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, we're gonna be doing the blind, deaf, mute challenge. For those of you who don't know what it is, one of us is gonna be blind, one of us is gonna be deaf, and one of us is gonna be mute. And together, as a team, we're gonna be trying to make one food. And for today, the food that we're gonna be trying to make is very simple because it's our first time trying this trend. It's kimbap. But how many times have you made kimbap in your life?
What?
How many times have you made kimbap in your life?
I've never actually made kimbap.
Right, and we have eaten it all, so we kind of know how it should look and how it should taste, but we don't actually know how to make it. We also have no recipe. We have no recipe at all. But first, let's introduce ourselves. Hello, I'm KWON. I'm the oldest brother.
My name is Justin. I am number 2.
I'm Johnny, and I'm number 3.
Make sure to subscribe, you guys, because if you don't subscribe, then what's gonna happen if they don't subscribe?
What?
Make sure to subscribe, you guys, because if you don't subscribe,
Then I'm gonna cook for you.
you don't want that. No one wants Justin to cook for them. Should we get started? Justin, you today are going to be blind because you're basically the same with or without your vision.
We should have done like spin the wheel.
I spun the wheel and now you're blind. Congratulations. All right, Singa, you can be.
Hey, that's my shoulder.
do you want to be deaf or do you want to be
deaf.
Deaf?
Yeah.
All right, but if you're deaf, you gotta be in charge. All right.
Why do I have to be in charge? Wait, you know what? Then I'll be mute. I don't want to have so much responsibility.
Here, Singa, ready? How much tape do you want on your mouth?
Can we just give it the full wraparound treatment?
That's so funny.
Oh my God, that's so loud. I literally can't hear anything. Alright, ready?
You could change the volume. You could
Alright.
change the volume using this knob. So
Oh,
just do
okay.
it.
Alright, ready? Are you ready?
Let's do it.
You ready?
Let's do it.
You ready?
This one's for you guys.
You're not talking to anyone. Camera's over there.
This one's for you guys.
Over here. One more time.
This one's for you guys.
Alright, here we go. Ready? You guys do whatever.
What?
Here we go.
Oh wait, I can hear.
Here's a piece of kim. And then put it here. And you're gonna try to put the rice on the kim.
Shut up! You're talking so loud.
You're right, sorry about that. Alright, so you're gonna put the rice on the kim and try to put in a nice even coat, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Singyang, can you cook the eggs? Alright. Here you go. Try to make an omelet type of thing. An omelet. Low heat, omelet style. Mix it slowly, trying to make it look like a pancake almost, okay? And then I'll take this. Watch out. Knife. Oh shit. Corner.
Am I spreading it right?
Alright. You're not even on the kim.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
Oh.
here's the kim. Yeah, right here.
This is
right
gross
here.
though. This
Put
is
it right here.
It was on the dirty
And then
table.
you're gonna try to coat it over the kim. I'm gonna take the Spam because that's what we're gonna have to cook next. You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. I'm taking this kim, and then for kimbap, you wanna kinda keep it longer style. So you're gonna like this.
Stop yelling!
I can't hear ya. We'll just use half for now. And then I think that's actually too long, so we'll do one more cut. Low heat, yeah. Make sure it's low heat. You want it to look like a pancake. Alright. So you got something like this now, and you're gonna cook it into long pieces. Yo, you're low-key doing a great job. Do you want me?
Is that good? Do it.
What?
More or
Less.
or more?
Oh, that's good. So yeah, keep it slow. Keep it, yeah.
Read my
Pancake. You want a pancake?
Hey, read my mouth.
You want me to put it in your mouth?
More or less? Price.
You want me to pour water in your mouth?
I think that's good.
Like this? And when the time comes, keep on the edges. No, you.
Is that good? Good or bad?
It's good?
Is it? You tell me.
Oh, you want to ask? Are you asking if the kimbap looks good?
Good or bad?
No, it's really bad. You gotta keep going.
Like, you want more?
More rice, yeah. Good. And then you're gonna flip it. When you're ready to flip it, let me know. We'll all watch. Oh, you ready? Singing, watch out. Singing's gonna flip.
All right.
Ready? Don't mess up. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. All right. So take that out now, and you can put it on. I need a plate. Can you get a plate? Oh, we'll get you a plate. Oh, I got a plate. All right, put the egg on this. I got a plate. Singya, now you're gonna cook this spam. Stop trying to drink.
Oh.
It's 2 p.m. Throw it in. All right, sing it up. Keep flat. Make the rice more like flat. Spread it out more. Spread the rice out more. My hands are so wet right now. Let's see how you did. What are you doing? All right. You know what? Let's give you a simpler job of just opening something. Okay, open this.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at it now. You see how it's more spread out? Oh, leave it there, it's okay. Yeah, just keep going on it. What are you looking for right now? A scissor? Be really careful. You know what, should I just open it? Is there anything you can do right now?
Thanks, man.
This is imitation crab I'm about to give you, okay? So just open it and put it on this plate right here in front of you, okay? All right, we're done with this spam. We don't need it anymore. Put it in the can over here. So that means the next thing we're gonna be preparing is the tanmuji, which is the radish. And this came pre-cut, so I'll just give Justin and Jonathan a little piece right now. Here. Did you, what? Here, do you want help? You want help? Come here. You know what? Why don't you just stand in the camera and try to look pretty? Just do that, okay, man? You're so useless right now, bro. Alright. Oh, yo, this music slaps. Where are you going with that? So we'll come here with the egg, and then we'll also cut this long.
What do you want me to do?
Piece here. Let's start trying to assemble the kimbap now, okay?
Okay.
Whoa. You okay? Alright. So here we're gonna put on the KWON. This pop should not be covering the whole thing. I just remembered that.
Alright. You want me to do it?
Do I need anything from you?
Yeah.
No. You're so useless. Alright, Singyo, put on some spam. Alright? Here, Singyo, you know what? I got something for you. Open this cheese. Open that. Open the cheese.
Okay.
Alright. Okay. Crab, yeah. Crab. One more crab. Alright.
You have the scissors?
You don't need scissors to open the packet of cheese. No.
Scissors.
No. You don't need scissors. Sing it out.
How am I gonna open this?
You with your hands. You open it with your hands. What do you mean?
Just give me the scissors.
You don't need scissors. Give me that.
No, just where's the scissors?
I gave you the simplest. Don't give him scissors.
Thank you. Shit.
Alright, yeah, we'll just put the cheese on, I guess. Alright, sing it out. Be very careful. Come here. Be very careful and apply this soy sauce. Very careful, okay? Alright, that's good enough. Oh, there's sesame seeds. Okay. Here, sing it up. You could at least do this. Put your hand in here. Justin, come here. How often do you use the sriracha that you could find it? Try to put on the sesame seeds onto the kimbap.
Okay.
Put your hand in the bag. We got some kimchi too, but honestly, at this point, it's just not worth it. You wanna wrap it? You got this? You sure? Little by little. Little by little. Yeah, little by little. Good, good, good. Now, what are you holding?
I don't know.
Now push against again, or try to push that through. There's soy sauce coming out. All right, oh, yo, we kind of cooked, yo, now leave it, let it sit. Would you want the seam down?
Coffee?
I'm gonna try to cut the kimbap into pieces.
Go ahead and take that off, big boy.
Can one of you take off my headphones? Oh my God, my ears. Oh my God, I'm yelling.
That we have is
Carefully. Here, sing it up.
Yo, you kind of cooked.
Mine was really salty.
Mine had a lot of wasabi in it.
Mine had a lot of soy sauce.
Did we do it? That was it?
There's just certain things that will just never be able to be matched when you have one person who's deaf and one person who's blind. But ultimately, I think we did a pretty good job.
I don't know how much I contributed, and I don't even know what I did when I contributed. So the fact
I think you made it harder.